7 crashes, 7 lessons, and every single one of them, something you can learn from today. Let's dive in. 1. Scooter meets gravel.
Let's say it. We get into washboards. Okay, slow, 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 big holes, and tight gravel. Oh!
You okay?
I don't know yet. Gravel in a big hole that I hit. Can you get the mic off my leg? Thanks. I'll get it. I'll help. All right, so
You
a
all
good
right?
down.
Your head hit.
I took a chin hit. It the camera.
Man, you hit hard.
Yeah. It just disappeared. The front end went away. My leg is raspberried. Yeah, my leg is raspberried. Yeah, you can see the slide right here. And I wasn't even in the front brake. I was in the rear. Yeah, my arm hurts like I'm okay. I'm going to ride.
Imagine this. You're cruising on a scooter, 35 miles an hour, when suddenly the pavement turns into gravel. The front wheel tucks, and boom, you're sliding. Now, here's the thing. This Honda PCX has a combined braking system. That means even if you're just using the rear brake, some of that force automatically goes to the front. On loose gravel, recipe for disaster. The rider actually handled the fall well. Experience in dirt saved him. But 2 big lessons here. 1, don't take narrow street tires onto gravel at speed. You're asking for a wipeout. 2, gear up. He wasn't even wearing a glove on one hand. That's a gamble you don't want to take. Before we continue, I just want to say, if you've got a crash or riding clip you think others can learn from, send it over. I'll leave an email in the description where you can share your videos, and we might feature them here to help every rider become safer. 2. High-speed wheelie gone wrong. Picture this, a ZX-10 blasting down the street, pulling a massive wheelie. Sparks fly, literally, when the stunt goes wrong. The bike slams down, rider tumbles, and the road lights up. At those speeds, the margin for error is 0. Looping out means the rider basically slammed the tail, lost control instantly, and got ejected. Lesson? Stunting belongs on a closed course. On the street, you're gambling your life, and everyone else is around you. If you're finding these lessons useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share Motoscope with your riding friends. It helps the channel grow and keeps more riders safe on the road. 3. Drift across 4 lanes. This rider tries to drift a ZX-10 across 4 lanes of traffic. Sounds insane, right? And sure enough, it ends with a brutal crash. The bike slams down, rider ragdolls, but somehow he walks away. Lesson? Drifting at high speed on public roads isn't skill, It's suicide. Traffic, paint lines, road imperfections, one mistake, and you're done. 4. The deer strike.
Dirty as shit, and there's cows. Oh, they smell excellent. Oh shit, a fucking deer! Oh shit, a fucking deer! Oh my god! Damn! I did. I hit the fucking deer. My bike is I didn't go down though. Yeah, dude. Yeah? I can't believe I hit a deer. Yo, my shit's it's spewing coolant. Yeah, I'm fine. What the f, dude?
How did you stay on the bike?
I just stayed on it.
Dude, that is crazy, dude. Dude, you're fucking one fall. Yo, turn your electrical off.
Are you f kidding me?
Yo, is the deer down in the road? Yeah. Oh. I think it's done.
Are you kidding me? I can't believe I didn't go down.
How did you not go down?
I just braced and I stood it up and I just braced.
Did you hit the brakes or you just throttled through?
I just throttled through that.
What the? Oh,
Holy. Yo, I think this bike is. God damn it.
all I saw was spinning deer, man. I'm like, yeah.
Holy.
They just hit your bike, not you, right?
I'm fine.
You're fine? I see it in the road. Is it? Let me turn your bike off? Yeah, yeah. Call your, what's her name, damn it? Yeah.
Sarah?
Yeah, Sarah. Call Sarah and have her, you know, give her your location.
Oh my god, I just hit a fucking deer.
Because you're going to have to get that bike home somehow.
Yeah, she's gonna have to get my truck.
That's what I mean. Have Sarah and have her bring the truck out.
Oh my god. My bike is. And it's all on video.
Damn.
This one's heartbreaking. Rider on a Yamaha R6 meets a deer at speed. Instant impact. The deer didn't survive and the bike was totaled. The rider walked away. That's pure luck. Lesson here. Wildlife is unpredictable. In rural areas, always ride with your eyes scanning ahead. And remember, no matter your skill, some crashes are just unavoidable. 5. Into the police bike. A cyclist is rolling down the road, but instead of looking ahead, his eyes are down. And right in front of him, a parked police motorcycle. He slams straight into it, but the lesson is real. If your attention isn't on what's ahead, you're just a passenger waiting for impact. Bottom line, whether it's two wheels with pedals or with an engine, keep your head up and your focus forward. 6. Leopard attack. Yeah, you heard that right. A leopard jumps at a biker. This one's straight out of a movie. Luckily, the rider escapes. Lesson? Okay, not much practical advice here, unless you ride in leopard country. But it's a reminder. Riding can throw the most unpredictable dangers your way. Stay calm, stay in control. 7. Lane splitting disaster. Last one. Riders stuck in traffic decides to split lanes way too fast. On a wet road. Bad combo. A car changes lanes and boom, he's on the ground. Here's the expert breakdown. Lane splitting itself can be safe, but speed is the killer. On wet roads, your stopping distance is longer, traction is weaker, and cars are harder to predict. Lesson? If you split lanes, do it slow, do it smart. 7 crashes, 7 lessons. Every single one could have been worse, but every single one teaches us something. Ride smart, ride safe. And if you found this breakdown useful, hit that subscribe button, because the next lesson might just save your life.